Hello, welcome to the YouTube channel for Astra Practice Partners. Thank you for joining us. In today's video, you will learn how to add insurance in the Daisy Dental Practice Management software. For this tutorial, I will be showing you how to add insurance from the Daisy account screen. Start by clicking on the Account button from the Daisy toolbar. For more information on how to customize your Daisy toolbar, click on the link in the description below. In the Search for Account screen, type the name of the guarantor for the account you wish to add the new insurance to. Either select the account and click OK or double-click on the line item. Once the account window is open, you will notice the insurance coverage field in the middle of the screen. Click on the green plus sign to add new coverage to the account. The Search for Subscriber window will appear and will automatically display the names of all patients currently attached to this account. Either select on and click OK, or use the New Subscriber button in the lower left corner to add a new subscriber. In this tutorial, we will choose to add a new subscriber using this button. A personal information window will then appear. Any field highlighted in yellow indicates a required field for saving. Enter the subscriber's first and last name. Select the subscriber's gender as well as the birth date. The address will populate automatically based on what has been entered for the guarantor on the account. If necessary, this information can be edited. Once all the required information has been added, click on the Save icon from the Quick Access bar and use the X from the upper right corner to close the window. Next, the Subscriber ID window will display. Add the subscriber ID and click the OK button in the lower right corner. The Search for Insurance Plan window will be displayed. From here, you can either select an existing insurance plan using the drop-down list to customize your search by criteria, or create a new insurance plan by clicking on the New Insurance Plan button in the lower left corner. For this scenario, we will be adding a new insurance plan using this button. In the Select an Insurance Plan window, enter the group ID in the Group ID field. The group ID is not a required field, so if the patient does not have a group ID or you do not have this information, leave this field blank. You can go back and add this information once you have it. Click on the magnifying glass icon next to the employer field to search for or add an employer. For this scenario, we will be adding a new employer by clicking on the New Employer button in the lower left corner. Only the employer name is required, but if you wish to add additional information, you may do so here. Click the Save icon and use the X icon in the upper right corner to close the window. Click on the magnifying glass next to the Insurance Company field to search for the insurance company. An easy way to search for the correct company is to change the search by criteria and search by the billing address instead of the company name. Use the drop-down and select Street. You will still be able to search for a P.O. box this way as well. Toggle to the Contains Radio button, and then enter the numbers of the street address or P.O. box you are looking for. If you do not find the insurance company you are looking for, contact the Daisy support team using the link in the description below to get the insurance code you are looking for. Once all the information has been entered, click the OK button in the lower right corner of the window. Next, the Assign Patient Coverage window will appear. Any patient on the account will be listed here. Use the drop-downs for primary and secondary to select the plan you just created. Use the relationship drop-downs to assign the relationship status. The subscriber will automatically default to self for the relationship. Once finished, click the OK button in the lower right corner of the window. Click the Save icon from the Quick Access toolbar. Congratulations! You now know how to add insurance for an account in the Daisy Practice Management software.